Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the breakfast show. This is Martin here with SmartRobie for KLCI. I apologize this morning for the slight delay as we are getting a little bit of the technical things sorted out. So let's come to you. Now you can see from the chart on the left hand side, the KLCI started to sort of move sideways, and it is expected after being up for almost 15 bars. We are seeing the KLCI started to move up, but the support at 1600 is pretty solid, but it will be tested, and it will test likely to have some sort of spring going back to 1580 is possible, but the 1560 level need to hold. So that's the prognosis that we have for the KLCI. So right now we can see the KLCI is in the mid stage 2, which is green pentagon. So for our members, those of you who know this, you can see the 1600, which I'm trying to get to it, which is here, is likely to see the kind of stage 3 distribution, right? It can be in disguise if you're not well trained in volume spread analysis. So a lot of people might just come in, the unsuspected public, saying it's best time to buy. As they've seen the green pentagon been up 13 days, right? It's, like it or not, the market doesn't move in a very bullish kind of sense where, everything is clear, the market trend is up, and then, you come in and buy, and guess what? A lot of the time people get trapped in this, and this happens to a lot of people who are not well trained or are what we call, not skilled enough. The market doesn't take prisoner, let's put it that way, right? The more untrained you are, the more likelihood you will be facing a lot of these challenges in here. So SmartRobie definitely put you in the right spot. If you have gone in sometime in the end of April, that would be put you in a better position in here. So we also look at the stage 2 shares and SmartRobie FA collection in here, because for SmartRobie beginners, I think that would be the most ideal situation in here. All right. Also this coming Wednesday, 9:30, we are resuming our regular talk on the macroeconomic. Now it's time to relook into the rubber glove sector, which is I'll be talking about this coming Wednesday. So make sure you join me and do share this in your timeline, more people knowing. Okay. And Pentagon Guider, which is powering the SmartRobie, continue to make good progress, and I think happy. So one of the things we really want to study is looking at the Pentagon Guider winner and loser. All right, and one of the winners that we have since the green Pentagon is Sakon. All right, you can see also in the VSA 360, you can also witness a lot of what we call sign of insider buying in here. You could see before the green pentagon, another one in here, volume dropped back up, but you can see market break below this support in here, but it didn't go below, low volume. Finally the volume came in around 27 cents, and I think Salcon been up almost 30% from the green pentagon, which is around the 24th of March. That's where you want to be looking at. Feel free to share and like this video in your timeline, and we thank you for coming this morning in here. So next is the insider buying and selling that we have on the VSA 360, and also look into the KLCI. Well, right now the KLCI has weakness. All right, how do we know that? A lot of people don't talk about it, they just say they move sideways, but I do think weakness is coming in because you do have the market started to move in the stage 2. So we have the stage 3 in here. The only good thing is it's supported at 1600, which is this level. So it does look like a distribution now, and there will be many pullback. All right, but if the market do boot up, it's nice. And another thing that is overbought positive, right, as the foreign funds inflow been out 808, and of course media like this, they play into a lot of the psychology into the market. They, hey, everything is good, come back to it, but then most people eventually find out that this is usually the case where smart money is used, this pretense to distribute, right? May seasonality, it's good. You can see the slow and the fast moving average, the 20 and the 40, like a railway track, still going up, but watch out for the support at 1600, which will be tested again and again this week. All right, so this is the first time, but we'll probably give you another update on Wednesday night. Now on the stage 2 shares, which is the continue of the markup, we will take a look at some of these. So you can see back on last week, the last episode that we did was 29. Let's look at ATNA, was 32 cents. ATA IMS, let's check that one out. and 32 cents. So now it's 31 cents. Let's take a look at the chart. Did it go higher? Okay, on the 29, looking at the chart here, you can see this was on the 29, which was this bar here. Okay, yeah, 29 was this bar. Market started to move sideways. Let's take a look at another one, D-Sonic. So D-Sonic, we are looking at the chart. D-Sonic was 46 cents and now it's 47 cents. A nice one, started to move up. Let's look at the chart here. So yes, the market did march up on the 29, was somewhere around here. Yeah, that's the 29. It did go higher, okay? 47 cents. We got MYEG. Yeah, MYEG performed very well. So MYEG, let's take a look at that one. MYEG on the 29, when we first talk about this, bring up the chart. Yep, the market did break up, switch to a 1 month chart here. And you can see on the 29 was about 91 cents. I think this morning is close to about a 1 ringgit move. Okay, so that was a good one. Even despite with the widespread bar that the market still continue to go higher. So that's basically telling you a stage 2 share. Continue to mark up in here for those of you who are. Then we look at Kim Long, another one. And of course, you can also check this out daily on the SmartRobie apps in here. 132 and Kim Long was 115. Okay, so that's up almost 10%. And you can see from this chart on the 29, it did turn green pentagon on the 28 and then continue to march up in here. So the stage 2 share are those shares continue to march. Let's take a look at this week, what we have for you. And of course, you can check it out also on the SmartRobie apps, which is the 13th of May. We have Potasco, we have Tune Pro, Denko, Top Glove, and that's why I want to talk about it on Wednesday night. Join me on Wednesday night, 9:30, about the reassessment and relooking into the rubber glove sector. We got Pekka and OSK too. All right, so these are the stage 2 shares for the day of 13 May 2024. And don't forget to subscribe to our daily newsletter for all our news. And let's take a look at the Robi FA on the 29th. We discussed about Yin Sun, right? And Yin Sun turned green pentagon at that time. No doubt the market actually went higher from then onwards, but we know the weakness settled in on the oil and gas as the energy prices, the crude oil, fall below the 200-day moving average. I think I'll talk about that on our weekly podcast. So that's why the market also turned up. Yin Sun is more correlated to the oil and gas sector there. Okay, so this is what we are seeing. And so if you have any questions you want to pencil those in, feel free. I'll be happy to look into that. All right, let's take a look at the next stock we have was Contra, which does pay a decent dividend, but take a note, this stocks is pretty illiquid in here. It's something you want to hold for longer term. As you can see, a lot of this little dot here. Shorter term, pretty difficult to make money, but you're not going to lose much too, as it pays a very good, decent dividend for Contra. So this week we have KGB. Actually, it's nothing much, so I'll just look for one. If you look at the Robi FA stock, as I hit it, there's no collection in here because a lot of them already turned green pentagon much earlier, as they've been marching a fair bit. Yep, nothing's available. But we'll look at KGB, which already turned green pentagon around 275, and it's coming to almost $3 already. So that's a very nice move in here, benefiting from the revival of the semiconductors. So our unique proposition of our Pentagon Guider, okay, and available on SmartRobie. Check it out. The green pentagon signifying the up signal and red panel signal and the down signal in here. Use the watch list as your notification for stocks that is also beyond the KLCI and also the US market. All right, so down alert, up alert, you can check it out. And more importantly is follow us next Monday for our US Robi shares, and also an update for those of you who join our premium membership. Especially we invite some of SmartRobie to begin their journey as the weekly stock trade idea is being shared, and you can see the continuing the chart. So let me just share with you where I am with the run so far that we have. So you can see March we have a good run, almost 12%. April we have a minus 1%, and May so far about minus 1%. But we will be exiting Sensor, which we already have what we call a nice 11.5%. So in the money. Supermax is already up 4%, and we do think this is likely to go higher in. So more of this will be explained in tonight live trading. So make sure members and those of you intend to join us as a membership and benefit, where you can see our member used to be at 19%. I think now it's about 34% since March. You want to know how well they do? Is join our premium membership in here. So this is where students like yourself excel and perform very, very well. If you are interested in doing well for your portfolio, or rather just doing mediocrely. All right. So also check out our VSA monthly result performance in our blog article in here. So as a summary, we see that the KLCI now started to move into a support area, which is the 160, and likely to distribute as we see weakness when public is interested in here, because also same time 8 out 8 days is inflows, so that is usually the peak we're seeing here. So be ready for KLCI to reverse sideways in here, but overall market seems to be still going up bullish in here. All right. Don't forget to smash that YouTube to subscribe to our Trade VSA. We thank you for your support that we've been giving so far, and I do hope the little things that I share every Monday breakfast show will bring a bit of joy in your trading results. And we do think that you want to upgrade your skill, join our VSA 360 membership in here, and we're still getting a great review. So we'll be looking at a couple of stocks. If you want to, right, let me know, and we'll be looking into those stocks. All right, a lot of great stocks are moving up in here. You just need to pay attention, like what are things I talk about on the stage 2 shares, Green Pentagon, and so forth. All right. If not, members, tonight 9:30, all right, for our weekly stock trade idea, we'll be selecting also. And who knows, we'll probably get another gold ball. All right. So with that, thank you for coming, and don't forget to join our Telegram chat room if you have not done so, and spread this among your friends in here. Thank you for coming, and I wish you all the best. Remember, on Wednesday night, we'll be talking about rubber glove stock. That's all. Thank you.